Let's start chapter 1 of class 10 chemistry, chemical equation and reaction. Now, first of all, you all should know what is chemical change. A change in which new substance is formed. एक ऐसा change जिसके बाद एक नया substance बने. For example, burning of coal. If we burn the coal, then carbon dioxide gas is formed, which is the newer substance. So this is the example of chemical change. Now, whenever any chemical change occurs, a chemical reaction always takes place. जब भी कहीं कोई केमिकल चेंज होगा, केमिकल रिएक्शन वहाँ ज़रूर होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन कोल इज बर्न्ट इन ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज फॉर्म्ड. दिस इज द केमिकल चेंज. बिकॉज जब कोल जलेगा, ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में एक नया सब्सटेंस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनेगा. तो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ केमिकल चेंज. दिस इज ऑल्सो द केमिकल रिएक्शन बिकॉज व्हेन कार्बन ऑफ दिस कोल is burnt in oxygen means carbon is reacted with oxygen, carbon dioxide gas is formed and heat is also produced in this process. So this is a chemical reaction. Carbon plus oxygen give carbon dioxide and heat. This is a chemical change and this is also the example of chemical reaction. Now in this chemical reaction, the substances which we have taken initially are called reactants, which react to form the new substance. Reactants are the substances which react to form the new substance, and product are the substances which are formed after the chemical reaction. Reactant वो substances हैं जो react होंगे और नया substance बनाएंगे, और जो नया सब्सटेंस रिएक्शन के बाद बनेगा दैट विल कॉल द प्रोडक्ट. लेट अस टेक अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन. मैग्नीशियम प्लस ऑक्सीजन गिव मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. Whenever magnesium ribbon is burnt in the presence of air, a white powdered substance called magnesium oxide is formed. जब भी हम मैग्नीशियम रिबन को जलाएंगे, एक वाइट कलर का सब्सटेंस बनेगा दैट इज कॉल्ड मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. बट बिफोर बर्निंग द मैग्नीशियम वी शुड ऑलवेज रब द मैग्नीशियम रिबन विथ सैंड पेपर बिकॉज दिस रिमूव्स द लेयर विच इज on this magnesium ribbon which can interrupt in this chemical reaction. So to remove that layer we should always rub the magnesium ribbon with sandpaper. So this is also the example of chemical reaction. There are some of the characteristics of these chemical reactions. These are evolution of gas, change of state, change in color, formation of precipitate, change in temperature. These are some of the characteristics. Let us discuss them one by one. Now first is evolution of gas. So whenever any chemical reaction occurs, some gas can be produced in this chemical reaction. For example, if we take the example of burning of coal, in this chemical reaction carbon which is in solid state react with oxygen and produce carbon dioxide gas. One more example you can take. Zinc plus hydrochloric acid means whenever any zinc metal react with hydrochloric acid, zinc chloride salt and hydrogen gas are formed. So in any chemical reaction a gas can be produced. Second is change of state. Here also we can take the example of carbon and oxygen. Now carbon is in solid state because coal we are taking is in solid state. It is reacting with oxygen and forming carbon dioxide gas. Third one is change in color. Whenever any chemical reaction occurs, a color change can also take place. For example, if we put any iron nail in copper sulfate solution which is of blue color, then iron sulfate of green color. This iron sulfate solution of green color is formed and red brown copper deposit on this iron nail. So here the change of color takes place because the solution here was blue colored copper sulfate, but after the reaction the iron sulfate is formed which is of green color. Fourth, we have taken formation of precipitate. A precipitate is that substance which is formed whenever two aqueous solutions are reacting in any chemical reaction, and after the reaction any solid substance separate out in the solution. So precipitate is that solid substance which is formed whenever two aqueous solution react. Okay, so here we can take the example of barium sulfate. In this formation of precipitate, we can take this example. Whenever barium chloride in aqueous form is reacting with sodium sulfate in aqueous form, then barium sulfate precipitates are separated out and sodium chloride solution will be formed. So in this reaction we have taken both the aqueous solution, barium chloride and sodium sulfate, but the precipitate called barium sulfate are formed in this reaction. Next is change in temperature. So whenever any chemical reaction takes place, the temperature of the reactants can also change in two forms. Temperature can increase and temperature can also decrease. So here the heat will be produced and here the heat will be absorbed for the chemical reaction. Here after the chemical reaction heat will be produced, so this reaction will also called exothermic reaction. We can take this example. Carbon and oxygen react to form carbon dioxide and heat. Now because heat is produced in this, so the product will become very hot. This is called exothermic reaction. So temperature is increasing in this process, and whenever the heat is absorbed, then the temperature will decrease. This is called endothermic reaction. We can take this example. Calcium carbonate. When we heat the calcium carbonate, which is the limestone, चूने का पत्थर, when we heat this calcium carbonate, it will form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. So in this reaction the heat is being absorbed for the reaction. So this is endothermic reaction. In this type of reaction the container can become hot, and in this type of reaction the container will become cool. So these all are the characteristics which are accompanied with all the chemical reactions, and in any chemical reaction more than one of these characteristics can also occur. So these are the characteristics of the chemical reaction.